I can make loads of money. The ape broke free. Today, we are going through the story of King Kong, the giant ape. The giant ape. Let's go. Okay, so one day, some explorers went to a mysterious island, a mysterious, weird island. It was very strange. They went on their boat called the Wanderer. They traveled to the island, to the mysterious island. And when they got there, they were shocked. They found giant footprints, giant footprints in the floor. There were giant footprints in the floor of the jungle. They both thought, what are these? I've never seen these before. This is crazy. What could it be? And they found out what the footprints were. They were from a giant ape. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. A giant ape. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. An ape. A giant ape. This ape. His name is King Kong. King Kong. The explorers were both incredibly shocked. They could not believe what they were seeing. It was crazy. A giant ape. They had never seen anything like it before. They were very, very scared. But they didn't need to be scared. Because the ape was a kind and gentle. He was kind and gentle. Look, gentle. He's touching the lady's hand. He is not mean. He's not mean. He's not evil. He's kind. He's a nice giant ape. But there was a big problem. Because the people who had traveled to the island, the people along with the man and the woman, they were terrified of the giant ape Kong. They were terrified of King Kong. So they got a rope, and they threw a net over the giant ape. They threw a big net over the giant ape. Look at the ape. The poor ape. Look at his face. He's scared. scared. Why are they doing this to me? Why? Why? He's scared. And the woman, she's crying. She's crying because she knows that the giant ape is kind and gentle. But the men, not so much. The men take the ape, the giant ape, King Kong, they take him and put him on show. They put him on show for everyone to see, an attraction, almost like a circus. Look at the poor ape. Look at poor King Kong. He's crying. He's in chains. And he's being forced to be on show. This man is not a nice man. All he is thinking of is money. All he is thinking of is money. I can make loads of money by showing King Kong to everyone. Not a nice man. Not at all. Okay, next though, there was a big problem. Another big problem. The ape broke free. He broke free, rah, of his chains. He snapped his chains. Rah, rah, you will not keep me here. Rah. And the ape became angry. He became angry. Look. He's angry now. All the people were very scared now. It was not so fun to watch him on show now, was it? No, because the ape has broken free and he's coming to get them. But unfortunately for the ape is being hunted. He's being hunted by the police. Woo! By the police. Woo! The police are trying to shoot, to kill King Kong. King Kong is holding the woman that King Kong loves. King Kong loves the woman. That is a weird relationship. Very weird. Obviously, they were just friends. Now, the ape, because he was being shot at, decided to run away. He climbed all the way up the Empire State Building. But look, there are helicopters helicopters with their searchlights, looking for him, so they can kill him. And when King Kong, the ape, the giant ape, gets to the very top, the top of the Empire State Building, there are helicopters, helicopters and planes with guns on them, and they all start shooting. They all start shooting King Kong. Poor King Kong. He didn't ask for any of this. He was gentle. He was kind. He just wanted to be a friend to the lady. And unfortunately, King Kong fell. King Kong, he fell down off the top of the Empire State Building after the planes and the helicopters had been shooting him. No! He's falling. It is very, very sad. It is very, very sad. He lands on the ground from up above after having been shot, and he is dead. He is dead. Poor King Kong. May you rest in peace. The woman was very, very sad. She was crying. How could you do this? How could you do this? He was a gentle being. He was a gentle being. The man that took him starts to think, what have I done? What have I done? Why did I let this happen? It is a very, very sad, heartbreaking story. It's a heartbreaking story. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mwah. Have a good day. Peace.